Yo, what's happening, man? It's your boy Lavelle Pullman back at it, man. Like I was telling y'all about this train shit out here in LA. It's like, this train shit is like the Skid Row at night. You know what I'm saying? It's nighttime right now. It's about 10:30. You got the shit all sticky and dirty. Train back dirty. You got people on this motherfucker. Literally, sleep. Right there. Right here. These individuals out like a light. The train has came to a stop, a halt. These people is all asleep. Longins.
Please stand clear. The doors are closing.
This what LA train system has came to. And that, look, more homeless people walking with bags. The train system down here, look, this shit is crazy. Not only that, we're gonna put the camera through here and zoom in down there. Then you can see people between the seats right there in the first seat. Someone way down here laid out. Individual right there in between the seats laid out. You see like the arm hanging off the seat. Cold game, man. This shit crazy out here, man. Sad. Yeah, man, I was telling y'all this shit, man, about this train system shit, man. You literally got ties and shit that you motherfuckers slam dope and use to tie around their arms and shit. You know, this shit dirty, man. This the train, bro. This the metro here. Literally. Shit hella dirty. But I'm telling you, man, the homeless motherfuckers, I don't knock the homeless people, but damn, don't tear the damn trains up. Shitting on them and more shit. Literally, man, this shit crazy. These trains should go to the Union Station or every damn station and get clean for the next set of people can get on these trains and be right. You know, nasty people spitting and shit. You know what I'm saying? We don't know if that's the wrong or not. You know, an individual come and end up dropping something on the ground and go to pick it up, not seeing this nasty ass spit, and they contract something. It's called game, nasty individuals. Someone got their whole damn pants here. Look like somebody pissed. Ain't no telling. Individual could slip and fall right here. Especially an elderly person. Then you got the police out here want to fucking harass people. You got the police with their dickhead asses. They want to harass the homeless man, tell him something, but they don't want to tell the people to keep the damn trains clean. Look at the two dickheads. One got his gun on him, holding his gun. Hey, I feel bad for the man. It's a cold game, player. Hey, it is what it is. And we in motherfucking Hollywood. Shit not no Hollywood. This shit is Hollywood. Some weird ass shit going on around here, boy. It's the train. Still fucking with the homeless man. Police. They're gonna shoot him in a few minutes. Police harassing the homeless man.
in North Hollywood instead of getting the people that's shitting and fucking up the trains. Call game.